Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about writing utensils. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a good time to do it. Right here is the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that red button and turn it gray. Then don't forget, ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. All right, writing utensils. Well, back on the first episode of Your Prep for Today, it was called Brain Aid, and it was I talked about notebooks and writing stuff down so you don't forget it. Well, the problem is, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it very well back then, you need something to write with, whether it's a pencil, a pen, a marker, or whatever it is you're going to write with, you need to have it. And you need to make sure you have the right utensil for the right job. You're not going to be writing fine cursive writing with a marker. You're going to be marking something that needs to be permanently marked and everything else. And just as well, you're not going to be writing with a pencil on something that you want it to be permanent that no one can change. So whatever it is you're writing, and whatever you're writing on, make sure you have the right utensil to write it with. All right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on prepping, adding to your preps in water, food, and other supplies or whatever you need, because you don't want this to happen to you.